So this is just a resort view king room. Little outdated. Actually, it's really a lot outdated. We're probably gonna end up switching rooms tomorrow. But I just wanted to show a little quick review of the room. I actually moved the desk a little bit just to get a view. That's the Rainbow Tower out there. You can see the ocean back there. Kind of a weird layout too for the bathroom. But it's a big room, it's just really outdated. Separate sink in here. Mini fridge down there. Bathroom. The window doesn't open. Full mirror. Just seems like wasted space. Good sized little balcony. You can see a little bit of the lagoon, some of the ocean there. But yeah, just definitely needs some updating, but yeah, I think we're going to be switching to a different room tomorrow, but just wanted to show you a quick little review of the room.